salts of oxo-acids. To understand the salts of oxo-acids, first we need to understand what exactly these oxo-acids are. Oxo-acids are the species in which the proton is actually present along with the hydroxyl group, or is present on the hydroxyl group along with the oxo of the same atom. Now let me give an example. The best example to know about this is H2CO3, which is called carbonic acid. Now carbonic acid can be written as carbon monoxide and with a water molecule, actually, or we write it like this, it is OH if we put twice. Now if we can see here, this is the hydroxyl group. So the proton will be, which is being, we are calling them as an acids. So they will be releasing what? Protons. So the protons comes from these, which one? These hydroxyl groups which are there. Then these hydroxyl groups are attached to the what? Oxo of the same atom. So this is how we write it. This is one way of writing down these one. Now what happens is the salts of oxo-acids of the group 1 elements, alkali metals, are of the formula M2CO3. Example is your sodium carbonate, potassium carbonate, etc. These salts of oxo-acids also exist with the formula MHCO3, which are called bicarbonates. Like we can have sodium bicarbonate. Now what we can say on these salts of the oxo-acids in the first go is that they all are stable in the sense that doesn't decompose on their own, and what we find is their stability increases down the group. Now lithium carbonate is the one which actually is not very stable, and it decomposes on heating and gives lithium oxide and carbon dioxide.